Good morning, students. This is part 2 of our 11.1 lesson on polygons. So I hope everybody's doing well and that you're understanding all the concepts. So far, so easy. And I have absolute confidence in you that you can do this. All right, I'm going to switch the camera so that you can see the book. Okay, so give me a second here. Here we go. I hope that you can see that quite easily. All right, I have my pink pen here and we are going to show you a couple of things here. So I have my polygons, and here I have a triangle, a quadrilateral, a pentagon, and a hexagon. See how weird that pentagon is? Some of those shapes are not what we normally expect. So we know that a triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. A triangle also has 3 angles. 1, 2, 3. And a triangle also 3 angles for the triangle. And the vertices, let's see, 1 point here, 1 here, and 1 here. Those are your vertices. That is 3 of them. Okay? And now we see the same thing on quadrilateral. This here is a trapezoid, but it has 4 sides, so it's still a quadrilateral. So this has 4 sides, 4 angles. See that? So 4 angles and 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy, huh? Pentagon, right here. It has 5 sides, 5 angles, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here's another one. Really weird here. 5 angles and 5 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? And the last one, the hexagon, it has 6 sides, 6 angles, and 6 points, which are called vertices. Okay? So what do you think is going to happen down here with a heptagon? Remember, a heptagon has 7 sides, so you know, if you follow the pattern, that is going to have 7 angles, and that it's going to have 7 vertices. The same thing is going to happen to your octagon, and to your nonagon that has 9 sides is going to have 9 angles and 9 vertices. And lastly here for the decagon that has 10 sides, you're going to end up with 10 sides, 10 angles, and 10 vertices. So the octagon is the repeated polygon right here. Remember we just talked about this? The castle of Del Monte in Apulia, Italy? Well, the repeated polygon in there is an octagon. And it has 8 sides and 8 angles and 8 vertices. Okay? Now, I just wanted to show you here, because it happened to us here on this pentagon. Sometimes the angles inside a polygon, see this one here, are greater than 180 degrees. This particular angle is pretty big. It's showing us 275 degrees. So they're not always going to be what we're used to looking at. Okay? Now, I'm going to give you a reminder of what congruent means. Congruent means that it has the same length. Let's see, can you see that here? When the segments have the same length, or when angles have the same measure, they're congruent. In a regular polygon, all sides are congruent and all angles are congruent. Look at this regular polygon. Every angle in here is 108 degrees. Every side in here is 4 centimeters long. This is not a regular polygon because these 2 sides are the same, but these 2 are not. Okay? These 2 angles are the same, but these 2 are not. Okay? So keep that in mind whenever you see a picture that has one little tick mark. together, it's talking that these two are the same. Okay. All right. Let me see if you can see this. Let's look now at this page, and let's just see if you can tell whether this is a regular polygon or not. Do you think this one here is a regular polygon? The answer to that is it is a quad. So we want to know which type of polygon it is and if it is. So it is a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides, and it is a regular polygon. And I'm going to put RP for regular polygon, okay? This one here, it's, well, let's go this way. This one here is a triangle, but it's not a regular polygon. You know why? Because these 2 sides are the same, but that one isn't. These 2 angles are the same, but that one isn't. So it's not a regular polygon. This one here is a heptagon. Remember what a heptagon is? How many sides does a heptagon have? A heptagon has 7 sides. And this is what this is here. And this is a regular polygon because every angle is the same and every side is the same. This one here is a hexagon. Remember what a hexagon is? A hexagon is a polygon that has 6 sides. And this hexagon is not a regular polygon because these angles are different from those angles. You see, these 4 are the same, but not these 2. And these sides are the same, but not those 2. Okay? And then here, this is a pentagon. And it's not a regular polygon. Not a regular polygon. Do you see why? Again, the same reason. Because these 2 sides are the same, and these 2 are the same, but these 2 are not the same, and that one's not the same. Okay? And they all have to be the same. And even the angles here. These angles are the same, but not this one here. Okay? And then this one last here, we have a pentagon. Right there, 5 sides. Pentagon means 5 sides. And it is a regular polygon. Again, same sides, same angles. Congruent. Okay? So now I want you to go to the next page, the next link, and you will find work for you to practice your polygons with. All right? Have fun doing that, and let me know if you have any questions. Okay?